When the project evaluation was carried out, the client's primary needs were twofold: to reduce queues in the hospital pharmacy and to centralise the management of drugs dispensed both externally and to the hospital wards. To manage dispensing drugs to the wards, CYBER supplied 5 vertical carousels with rotating carriers, 2 of which are refrigerated to allow the storage of products requiring controlled temperatures. In order to optimise dispensing to outpatients, 3 high-speed automatic dispensers have been installed, which automate and speed up the picking of drugs. All systems allow complete traceability of every operation and, thanks to the interface with the client's management system, every activity is updated in real time.